one of the first colleges in New York State to change from a drafting and design program to a computer-aided design drafting program. So we got a lot of students, and then as that progressed and things got more automated, and then everybody had a CAD program, all the community colleges and so on. So we developed it into what we call mechatronics. What's new? What's the latest? What's the greatest? What's going to enhance our mechatronics program? And so fortunately, Sean picked up on this. And so SUNY Delhi is now extremely fortunate and lucky to get this here at Delhi. You know, to have that software, to have the students do the latest and greatest. And I think in terms of, again, a company like yours and EPLAN and so on is helping us reach our goal of making our students more employable.
I'm passionate about the mechatronics program as a former graduate and now coming back teaching. I want to see it succeed. I know what it can do for students. Adding EPLAN to the mechatronics program, I think that's just furthering what we're doing and making our program even stronger. Using EPLAN in the mechatronics program has really opened a lot of doors for us and for our students. The big things that they see is the efficiency in drawing their schematics and how they can follow standards easier to meet industry standards that we need to as an institution, so that we're producing students that actually are useful to companies when they get hired.
Sean found this glorious program, and we have ran with it since then, and I'm very, very happy to use that at any day of the week.
We're always looking to improve what we have, and Sean happened to find you guys at a trade show, brought the idea to us, and the faculty on the mech side were instantly sold. Anything we can get that makes our lives and the students' lives easier, and eventually our industry partners' lives easier, because the students are the ambassadors of new tech to companies. Whatever they learn in college, they will bring with them and try and sell their employer on if they have something that's not as nice when they get there.
The change that we've made and the doors that have opened have been incredible.
The amount of data integration and automation tied into EPLAN makes every class we use it in so much easier. Our students are picking it up even faster now. It was several weeks of the interface and then going from there and being okay, to now it's within a week, they're rocking it.
Man, it's like going from a F-100 old pickup truck to driving a Ferrari, you know? That is the closest correlation that I can come up with. Just how simple it is, how fast you can actually create something on the fly. And like by the time that first semester's over, I mean, within a couple weeks, you're running at a very, very efficient rate.
The amount of work that they're able to do because of how efficient EPLAN is has made a huge difference in what we can do even in teaching. The amount of work that we're able to do now in 15 weeks because of how quickly they can do their schematics. And then we can start to get into other things. And I'm really looking forward to integrating ProPanel and fluid power so that we can start to put more EPLAN into what we're doing here as an institution and showing the power that EPLAN has as a platform. So they're excited to go show companies what EPLAN can do for them because of what they've learned here from us in the mechatronics program.